My 3 friends. Ticketmaster. What's up, Ticketmaster? Bugman. And hey, you don't have a bag name tag. What's up with that? Who are you? You don't have a bag. Oh, you're FUSD. Oscar. Oh, over there. I remember. That's you. Cool.
Remember
Hey.
I told you we got motors?
Hell yeah. Welcome.
Really bored today, Al. You bored?
I got all day here.
Pursuit right now? Really?
A pursuit? I don't think so. I'm staying here.
The sheriffs are in pursuit right now.
I don't do the sheriffs.
All right.
I'm watching you guys work.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Where's the action? Nice shade, huh? One has the license plates. 2 of them don't have anything. I don't do sheriffs. I already did one. I'm gonna be late anyway, Bachman. I'll be here for 5 minutes. Don't worry. I won't bug you guys. Just see how you guys do your job. That's it. Did they stop over there? No.
I haven't heard him stop yet.
The FUSD one. Did you see how I stopped for the? I stopped for the water guy. I put my emergency. You see how cool I am? How many tickets have you written today?
I told you it's boring over here, Al.
Not boring. People want to see this kind of stuff.
They don't care about this. They want to see action.
They care about this as much as they care about everything. Public officials.
They just want to talk crap about us, man.
They want to, not me. They want to. Let them talk crap. Doesn't mean it's true. I should run and see how fast I go.
Make sure you watch out, Al. One of the motors is coming in.
Oh, he made a trip all the way to Rialto. Where do they go? Excuse me. There goes Ticketmaster. There he goes. I want to try to catch up. Pause.
Oh, stay on the street, please.
How was vacation?
For your safety, buddy.
Did you get drunk? Ticketmaster? That's in your name, and then you in the good way. I can't recall by that name, so. Oh, this is the probation department right here. That's the little audit right there. I told juvenile services. Ticketmaster. He keeps turning. You gotta create that privacy. Officer, you're on the street. Guy. Here's a court where you pay your fines. Lovely court. Woo! What do you think of that? Does that deserve a ticket? Look at those rims. He's gonna take it. Tickets rule. Here's a ticket. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. McMillan. Mr. Ticketmaster. Oh, look at back up. Hey, back up.
What I was going to tell you is that you have a court date all the way in July 7th.
Wyatt. You gonna spot every two like the other time? Is your dog gonna bark at me, Wyatt? Look at your buddy over there too. Backup requested. Else here.
Yeah, you're more than welcome to. And we're sorry this guy's.
Don't be sorry. Look at they're taking the car away now. They're taking their car away now?
Sorry?
You're taking their car away?
Am I?
Are you?
Well, that's for me to know and you to find out, isn't it?
Man, they were just probably going to McDonald's getting a Big Mac, and now they have to walk to get a Big Mac.
I think you guys should maybe give these people some privacy, Al.
I'm filming you. I don't find it disrespectful. I find it disrespectful that some of you cops curse out people. I find it disrespectful.
It's an embarrassing moment for people, and you're sitting here.
I'm not filming embarrassing moment for people. Like, not to wear black is wearing black.
We're supporting the movement.
You're supporting the movement.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. No, Al doesn't bother.
He probably came because he thought I'm a troublemaker.
Who's gonna release the dog on you?
No dogs for me. Wyatt. Hey, what's up?
Hey, Pat. Yeah,
Hey.
I'm good. I'm just hanging out with my friend Al.
They think he needs backup. Am I bothering you, Ticketmaster? Am I bothering you?
No.
He said no. Put him in Cherry. The one who likes to spotlight me too.
Alright, take care.
Later.